Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to change the air filters on this 2007 350Z. Okay, open the hood, just pull this latch to release it. Then release the hood latch. It's right here. You're going to push it this way. Here's your engine, here's your filters, one there and one over here. If you have an older 350Z, you're only going to have one filter. Use this rod to keep the hood up. And to change the filters, it's pretty easy. You're just going to take these little clips, undo these, and then you're going to push this back and up. Okay, these are your filters. These are very dirty, and that's what it looks like in there. Take out any leaves, any kind of debris that's in here. If you have a shop vac, you can use that. Okay, and do the same thing on this side. Release this, push this back and up. Okay, yeah, these are like very dirty. Next, take the filter out of the housing. This looks like original Nissan filters. And I'm going to clean this up a little bit before I put the new filter in, okay? This is the part number for the new filter. It's going to be a link in the video description, okay? They get pretty dirty. Okay, take your new filter and just insert it into the housing there. And you're going to insert it with the clips facing towards the back. As soon as you put it in, you push it forward and push down. Click it in place. And that's it. Let's do the other side. Filter. Put it in. Clip it. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.